Nearly every company on the journey of continuous improvement has taken its first steps into the process by way of 5S, otherwise known as workplace organization. The practice derives its name from 5 Japanese words, each representing one of the 5 steps. Roughly translated to English, these steps are sort out or remove unneeded items, set locations or give specific homes and addresses to those things we need, straighten, sweep, shine, or scrub, in other words, clean daily to prevent clutter, standardize, establish company-wide standards for 5S, and sustain, protect the gains made with the first 4 S's. The stability and visual standardization provided by 5S is an essential foundation to every other lean practice. 5S is also very visually attractive to management. Yet this process, which often seems self-evident, often falls short of expectations. Most companies attempting 5S relate stories of backsliding, lack of participation, and occasionally even outright rebellion.
What did you guys do?
This DVD, produced by the Greater Boston Manufacturing Partnership and narrated by GBMP President and Shingo Prize recipient Bruce Hamilton, deals with the behind-the-scenes supporting activities that are crucial to sustaining 5S as an ongoing and fully integrated company-wide process. 5S 5 Challenges identifies keys to success that are not explained in the familiar before and after pictures and video often used to describe the 5S process. 5S 5 Challenges takes us through 5 key ideas that must be understood in order to achieve success. These are elevating our definition of normal, understanding the intrinsic versus actual value of items in our workplace, letting the employees decide, understanding that 5S is a means to continuous improvement, and knowing that management must be there for the employees. Bruce illustrates these 5 challenges with a series of memorable examples that create an aha moment in the mind of the viewer, preparing you and your staff at a gut level for the challenges that every manager and employee will face in office, clinic, showroom, factory, or warehouse when implementing the 5S process.
Spent probably 95% of the time just going to get the tool that I couldn't find, and it took me almost no time at all to do that. Why don't you stop the video for a moment and just write down one example of a flatware drawer that exists in your job where there's perfect organization, if you can find one, and that kind of thinking could be used in factories and offices as well. But let me ask you this rhetorical question. How many of you have clothes in your closet that you know you're never going to wear again? Be honest.
Humorous scenarios will have viewers laughing at themselves while creating critical signposts to illuminate and lead the 5S effort in a direction that builds company-wide buy-in and sustainability.
All set.
Oh, that's great. Another 10-minute job that took you an hour.
What's it doing over there?
I can't fit any more in your closet.
You know what? I'm out of ice. I'm gonna have to go to the store.
That's fine. We'll just wait here.
This stuff doesn't belong here. I don't know. We'll put that on the 5S cart for now.
Do you have a red tag around for the rest of the kids' pictures?
Surprise!
5S 5 Challenges is interesting, entertaining, and will set your team on the path to true lean success.